DIY, make your own candy. We make the noodles, we make the beads. I think the egg comes in it. It's all in Japanese, so we'll figure it out as we go, I think. Alright, let's see what we get in here. There's our eggs. There's our eggs. Oh, little Japanese eggs. There's our chopsticks. All that's in the box is a cup. It's a box with a cup. Alright. Oh, we need the box, right. I can't put that down there because we're going to need our instructions right here. So we got packets, little squirty doodad thing. Holy damn. Alright. Packet A goes into cup. So we got sus powder number 1 in there. So then we just add our 100-degree water. There's our water, and then it says stir it. All the powder's already gone. Okay, so then we take sus powder numero B. Oh, this one smells like coconutty something or other. How much water does it take? Maybe up to the line? I mean, this is a tiny thing to be pouring boiling water in. I'm going to fill it up to the line right here. Alright, I filled it with water. Now I think I'm supposed to stir it. I think I want all these little chunkies to dissolve.
1 eternity later.
Look, it's thickening up. It's not all dissolving, though. We're not getting full dissolvification. So then we suck some up with this guy, right? And we drip it in, and then we put the rest in the bag. Oh, is it doing it? It's making the little egg. I've always wanted to do this. Oh, how sick is that? Isn't that so cool? I've always wanted to do the little skin beads. So they go in and they like they instantly make a skin on the outside of them. Isn't that sick? Alright, that's cool. Now we do the noodles though. Alright, we got our bag here. We're gonna poke a hole in the corner, it says. Alright, there's our hole. Boom. And we take our orange liquid and we pour it in here. Beautiful. Look at the weird orangeness. Alright, get all in there, you weirdness. And then we'll squirt long noodles in here. It's already congealed on the end. Oh, I was doing it. I was doing it for a second right there. Jesus Christ, it's like I'm pissing into the water. To me, it comes out with force. I tell you what, it's like I'm having a fucking candy piss right into the water. Woo! Are we making noodles? Are those noodles or what? I'll tell you what, it's fucking everywhere though. Oh my god, look at that! Noodles! Look at the noodles! Look at the little beads in there and the noodles! Oh my god, how sick is that? Wait a second, we gotta get the eggs in there. We gotta have a full, authentic Japanese experience. Oh shit, look at that! Look at that! Look at noodles! And little beads, little egg bead, and we got our eggs too. Our ramen egg. Oh shit! Look at it's hot too. It's hot ramen. Look at the beads in there. Look at the beads in the ramen. Look at that. Look at all the little beads. Look at that shot. Look at that shot. Look at the little beads on there. You can see the little fish eggies. Oh man. Wait, let me try an egg. No, let me get, can I get some balls?
Do your balls hang low? Can you swing them to and fro?
Can I eat this liquid? Is this gonna kill me? It smells really good. Oh. Oh yeah, I'm not dead. It tastes like tangerine. Let me eat an egg. Oh yeah. Oh, that tastes like tangerine too. Yeah. Oh, that's not bad. Can I get some of the beads? What does the water taste like? Like nothing. Okay. Like I gotta get an egg and some ramen together. Like a Japanese person would. Look at that, an egg right on top of it too. Come on. That's a scoop of ramen if I ever seen a scoop of ramen right there. Look at that jiggly guts, the egg right on the top of the fucking egg, the beet. Oh, come on. Look at those ones down there. Look at those salmon roe down there. They got little orange specks in them. All right, here we go. Man, come on. It doesn't get better than that. No, yeah. Man, that's just fucking weird as shit. Look at all the eggs in there. I want to eat them. My final reviews on it. You do not get a lot of candy out of it. You sure don't get a lot of candy. It's like a couple of biter, but man, that is a fun. I've always wanted to do the little beads with the skin on them like that. Super, super fun. Even for adults like myself, who's an adult child. Highly recommend it. Remember to like and subscribe. We'll see you next time with some other action-packed content. Much love, everybody.